Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Arbitrum update. Hope you're all doing great, and in this video as usual we'll take a look and we'll talk about the technicals of Arbitrum right now, what's happening, what happened yesterday. We obviously got a lot of bullish momentum yesterday. Unexpected, was because of bullish momentum in the market, which I did not expect, so therefore I also did not expect it for Arbitrum, but it's totally correlated. If you, for example, take a look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, the moves will be pretty identical, I think. Here you can see quite a lot of bullish momentum, then a bit of drawdown around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and then a continuation. Even though that second continuation wasn't as big for Arbitrum because we hit a major resistance level around 1.25, which I would also say is our most important resistance level for Arbitrum right now. So that's what we'll talk about in the remainder of this video, apart from some other things such as the inflation rate happening tomorrow. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now on to Arbitrum. So the big thing is that this bullish momentum is great, because we yesterday we still talked about how we were arguably in some sort of a downtrend, and that I expected us to reach 1.12 and 1.1, which I was wrong about. But as I said, I mean, maybe I should have known it. I'll leave that up to you, but I did not expect, and I'm not sure if you could expect the bullish momentum from Bitcoin. So that is what happened, but that's actually great, because we managed to break above this first resistance level around 1.21 and 1.2, which already technically has brought us out of this downtrend. All right, so that's already amazing. Now, if we actually would want to be bullish, because you can see that there's still this trend line coming down on top of us. If we actually want to be bullish, and apart from that also 1.25 is a psychological resistance level and a 0.5 fib there. So third time that I say this, if we want to be bullish, we need to break above that level. And that's a tough thing to do. I do not think Bitcoin will all of a sudden fall down, but I'm also not expecting any more big bullish breakouts. So it's going to be fairly tough, I think, to break above that. But altogether, it seems, for Arbitrum at least, it seems that we are way more bullish than bearish. You can see that initially that trend line gave us quite a lot of resistance, but now we have already not really respected it that much. And apart from that, we, as I said, the market right now is bullish. I'm not expecting that much bearish momentum. So I think eventually today we will be able to break above 1.25 and get up to this level right here around 1.28, 1.29. Now, whether we can actually start some sort of a rally, I think is going to depend on what Bitcoin does again tomorrow. And that's going to depend heavily on the inflation rate. All right, so I'll still make a full video on the inflation rate and its relation to crypto tomorrow. But you should know that. So even though I do think today we will be able to break above 1.25 and at least get a bit more bullish momentum, even though I think that today, that doesn't necessarily mean that I think that will last. In the end, I think that fundamentals in the crypto market are still stronger than technicals. We have very important fundamental events coming tomorrow, also with the Shanghai upgrade from Ethereum, which we are not too sure of what effect that's going to have, but all right. So yeah, it's going to be a very volatile day, and if we whether we can start a rally does really depend on the outcome of the fundamentals. So I will obviously keep you updated on that, but for now these are my thoughts and my analysis on Arbitrum. So thank you for watching today. I'll see you in the next video, and bye.